In the previous demo, we saw the execution of an application in full detail mode using Sniper. In this demo, we will have a look at execution of an application with region of interest or ROI. In order to execute an application with ROI, we need to have SimROI start and SimROI end markers embedded inside the application code. In this case, the test application F50 already has these markers embedded inside. Let us have a look at the code of F50 application. Okay, so this is the code for F50 application. As we can see, SimROI start and SimROI markers have already been included here. So the code between these two markers will run in full detailed mode once ROI option has been enabled for Sniper. In order to enable ROI mode of operation, we have to make changes to the makefile. So let us navigate to the makefile of this application. Alright, so in order to enable ROI, we have to add another option, ROI, after the configuration specified. So basically what this option does is it enables Sniper to execute the region of interest specified by the code. Now let us run this application. Okay, so now we can see that ROI region has been executed in full detailed mode, whereas the region before ROI has been executed in cache only mode, and the region after ROI has been executed in fast forward mode. This is the default setting for ROI mode of operation. As we can see, 35.99% of the simulated time has been spent in full detailed mode. Now, if you want to further accelerate the application and execute the pre-ROI region in fast forward mode as well, we have to enable another option in the makefile. Let us navigate there. Yeah, so after the ROI option we've just inserted, we add another option called as no cache warming. Okay, so what this option does is it tells the Sniper to execute the pre-ROI region in fast forward mode as well. Now let us have a look into that and see it in the board. Yes, now we run this application. Okay, so now we see that the ROI region is still executed in detailed mode, whereas the region before ROI has been executed in fast forward mode, and the region after is also executed in fast forward mode. This can be used to accelerate an application and only focus on the important part. Okay, so this was one way to configure ROI through markers. There is another way to configure region of interest, and that is with the help of scripts. Let us have a look into that. We have a test application for this purpose. We navigate to that directory. Let us have a look into the makefile. Okay, so this is the makefile that we've created. In this case, the first iteration is a run with the ROI option. This will take into account the markers inside the code and execute the code in between those markers in ROI region. Whereas the second iteration of the same code has been configured to run with the ROI script option. So ROI script option basically ignores the markers and configures markers with the help of the script provided here. And we have provided an ROI iter script here with the help of -s flag. Now let us run this code. Okay, so now we can see that ROI region is executed in detailed mode, whereas the pre-ROI region is executed in cache only mode, and post-ROI region is executed in fast forward mode, which is the default setting for ROI mode of operation. Now you can see that the script has enabled markers for the new ROI region for the second iteration. You can see here that 52.69% of simulated time is in detailed mode, which indicates that the ROI region has been changed dynamically with the help of script. In this way, you can change the ROI region without having to change the application code. So these were the two methods to implement ROI mode of operation.